Hi, this is Miss Shalom and I'm here for a Recorder Christmas video. Today I'm going to be teaching you the song Jolly Old St Nicholas. First, I'll just play it through. So this song uses the notes D, low D, E, G, A, and B. So not a terribly difficult song to learn, but it does use those low notes, so you will need to make sure that you are blowing gently. Also remember that your left hand goes on top, which would be on this side of you, okay? So it looks opposite in the recorder video. So let's learn it phrase by phrase. First phrase goes like this. Would you join me on that? 1, 2, here we go. One, two, again we go. One more time, here we go. All right, phrase 2 sounds like this. Actually, it's the first half of the second phrase. Let's try that together. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, here we go. One more time, here we go. Second half of that goes like this. 1, 2, here I go. Would you try that with me? 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, here we go. One more time, here we go. So let's put that second phrase together. 1, 2, here we go. One, two, here we go. One more time, and here we go. The third phrase is the same as the first phrase. Sounds like this, and you can play along if you like. 1, 2, here we go. All right, and the fourth phrase is very similar to the second phrase, just slightly different, so please listen first. 1, 2, here I go. Let's do that fourth phrase together. It starts the same as the second. 1, 2, here we go. One, 2, here we go. All right, let's put the whole thing together. 1, 2, here we go. All right, happy practicing and Merry Christmas.